So today we're gonna work a little bit on the base of the truck, scrape all that stuff off. It's gonna look great. It's as if I've already seen it and done it before. And then I want to put that window in the door. So let's see if we can't do that. Here we go. Alright, we're going to use this porta power to try and see if we can't get that dent out of the truck. So, never used one of these before, but Ray is gracious enough to help me figure this out. There I go. So, let's try this. I have to lay down and get dirty on these clothes, and Mom's not going to be happy with me. Okay, you ready to see if this works?
The nice thing is that thing goes really slow. I have no idea.
Yeah, I see it coming up. That is a huge dent.
It's just a real dump of a place.
Still getting it?
But he's a very rugged cowboy type guy.
Is that coming out a little bit?
Yep.
They pump water from
Ooh, that popped out.
the earth to a great
There's a little dent. Is that the 16 one?
It's better.
your body hammer. And I like this a lot better than the gun, even if you have to pay for that separately and buy one. So you, holy cow,
That went.
it's not supposed to let go. They usually don't let go. I'm really surprised that let
Just
go.
too strong, right?
Usually they don't let go. I think that I must not have got very good grinder marks there. That surprises me. It's just. I don't understand why those are not holding on to there.
Doesn't like that metal, huh?
Well, it may be, and it may be that. It may be that because they changed. They weren't biting really good to the newer sheet metal, and they changed them. Let's just see what this does. They changed them, and they bite much better to the newer car sheet metal now. But maybe the trade-off is they don't bite really good to old steel.
I didn't see a spark on that one.
Sometimes it doesn't. Just melting it together.
Yeah, that too. It's very odd. But yes, that's in theory. You want to pull Those might be hot, so don't burn yourself, okay? If you do, say your dad told you to do. Don't blame me. I don't like being blamed. Do you like being blamed? It's no fun, is it?
So we just got done swimming. My hair's all crazy and I needed my hat. So we're gonna pull the truck out right here and you guys get to sit over here. That one all the way out. Alright, now it is the dance. Okay, so my left and right fuel tank, I think I've got it set up right. So left, it's already on there saying it's way past full. I don't know why that's not cranking right, but then if I go right, it is saying that it's switching over and it's empty in that tank. So see if you can hear it.